Okay, welcome everyone to my channel GabrielesMist. This is Me, also known as Vivikarrina. As you may know, if you already been here watching my channel, if not, welcome everyone. Well, I got a package today from one of my favorite soapers and soapy sister, and I am glad I got this today because I was waiting on it. She made a soap that I was in love with the look of and the design that she did, and also I wanted to try one of her lotions. So let's see what we got here, and you will see from who it is. Dun, 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 dun. I love her so much. She's awesome. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, oh, this is from Cabin Fever Soaps and Essentials. I love Patty so much, you don't have idea. Oh my goodness. And I believe I got some gifts. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Yes, I think so. Oh Patty, thank you so much. You're always so great. Oh, little card. Made with love. And you know guys, she did make stuff with love. She do really do this stuff with love, because look at the label. She take the time to make that by hand. That is so pretty. She put glitter and everything in her tag and the little bag. Oh my god, she's just great. Let me open the card. I so love you so much, Patty. This is the second time I ordered from her, and I am glad I did. Okay, thank you. I love you more, Patty. Okay, oh my god. Oh. She sent me gift. And by Ebates. Her way of doing the invoice is very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. So let me cover my address so I can show you, and also the price, because you know, see, here's the card. Let me see, because I'm recording from my cell phone, because my memory card in my camera is full. So yeah, this is the invoice. I like this corner of the invoice. This is very pretty. Love it. I will be taking pictures of all of this, and the sticker. I don't break the sticker, sorry, but I don't break no sticker. No, 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 no. Okay. This is what I ordered. I'm in love with this soap. I'm so in love with this soap. And look at this bag. Wow. Oh goodness. I feel spoiled. I will leave the link to her store and also to her channel in the description box. Guys, you need to go and check her store. It's great. She has so many beautiful soaps there. This bag is very pretty, and she also packaged the soap separate. Hope it's showing in the camera. I'm so sorry if it's not doing it, because I can't see it. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the lavender rose. I am in love with roses because my name, you know, is Rose Smith. So I have something with roses, especially black roses and dark roses and purple roses and the blue rose that is the most strange rose in earth, because yeah, Google it. Okay, this is the most beautiful soap I had seen this month. I in love with Victorian stuff. I am a fan of Victorian how I say theme. Okay, and this is beautiful. I love it, and I will not open this because this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm excited. Oh, look at the rose. Oh, please look. Yes, that's how excited I am. The other thing I ordered, I believe, is in this box. Wee. Na na. Yes. Smell great. Oh yes. Look at the package. Tell me if this is not nicely packaged. Oh my god. She took a lot of care to make sure that you get your stuff good and not broke or break or whatever you say. So she makes sure your stuff arrive very nice. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Winter Berry Wonders. Yes, this is the one I ordered. She have different fragrance in her website you can choose from, but the bottle will be 8 ounces and the label will be same, I believe, but it's beautiful. And hello, it's a black bottle. Yes. Oh my god. I'm in love with this. And also I will be now open this because I want to take a very nice picture. And let me smell this one again. Oh goodness. This is a nice bar. I can't stop. I'm just sorry, I can't stop. And this one is a gift from her. This is a beautiful bar. Oh, look at this. Oh, so pretty. I also would love to take a picture from this one. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, smells so awesome. I can smell through there. Let me watch that I am in the camera. Yeah. Oh my god. Smell awesome. Okay, that is that one. And then again, oh, I don't want to open it, but I will have to. So no, I will take a picture, then I will open. Also, I got another gift. This is, well, let's see. I was working and I'm a little tired, but I couldn't help myself to wait to open this, because then again, I love her stuff. She took such good care of her products. Oh, this is Epsom bath salt, winterberry. Oh, nice. Oh goodness. How nice. This one is thickwood cardamom. Thickwood cardamom. Okay. Oh my goodness, these are samples. Really nice samples. I love getting samples. This one is Desire. Awesome, and the bag is so pretty. So pretty. Then again, I will take a picture and I will post the pictures after the video. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Go and check her website, please support her. Thank you again, and bye bye. Blessings, love you all, bye.